Hey everyone, it's ClickHow. Today I'm going to show you how to share any ChatGPT conversation with a simple link. First, open the conversation you want to share. Look at the top right corner of the screen. Click the share button. It looks like an arrow pointing up. A preview window will pop up showing exactly what the other person will see. To copy the link, just click the copy link button at the bottom right. That's it. Paste the link anywhere to share the conversation. Here's an important heads up. Anyone with the URL can view the entire conversation. These shared chats can also be indexed by search engines, so never share anything with personal info like passwords, emails, or private data. If you want to see all your shared links or delete one, click your profile icon in the bottom left. Go to Settings, your Data Controls, then click Manage next to Shared Conversations. From there, you can unshare any chat using the trash icon. A quick tip, when you share a link, the other person can continue the conversation if they want, but it creates a new private chat in their account. It won't affect your original conversation. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.